Ultramagnetics in full effect. We talking about giving the drummer some. You know what? Yo, Cool Keith, tell him what's on your mind.
I'm ready, and now it's my turn to build, uplift, get swift, then drift off and do my own thing. Switch up, change my pitch up, smack my up like a pimp. For any rapper who attempt to wear troops and step on my path, I'm willing as an A1 general, rhyme enforcer, 235 on a rhyme test. What other group of vests and line? I put them all behind. Play MC Ultra as a warning sign of my skill and what my mind deserves. I smell a grape in the duck preserves. And who deserves the right to be king to scream and shout whack poetry? What are you bugging? Germs that wanna lure me, quit it before I heat your ear off. Let your burn deduct another year off rapping. For a face I'm slapping. Give me applause when hands start clapping. Now give the drummer some.
Give the drummer some. Give the drummer some. Give the drummer some. Give the drummer some of this funky soul we got.
Well, said, the rhyming force Delta. When I enter, you best take shelter. Cause I'm dope, and yes I will melt her. Anyone who tried to even felt the emotion, a thought that they can hang with me. I cut you up because you are my enemy. On my stage, interfering with my radius. So step back, cause I'ma start to spray with this can of ray spray. If you're a germ, filthy like AIDS, I'll clean you up with heat, vapors, scrubbing and scrubbing. Like a mistake on paper, I'm rubbing, erasing you out like some ink. Cause you're dirty, your rhymes stink like garbage. Have to put you in a hefty. Or instead, should I just let the weak MCs accumulate like dust? Take out my duster, shine them up, then teach them respect. Hook them up, just like a tape that can mono a stereo. Cause I'm a real pro, with a cameo, and not an afro. This beat is funky, I'm letting it go. You know why? To get the drummer some.
Give the drummer some.
Some rappers are rating us, some are hating us, some are talking, some debating us critically. But physically my mind is self-taught like a rap pro. Designed this matter to burn MCs and toys with flame. 500 degrees of rhymes that heat and cook and sizzle. Your brain is on the grill at nighttime. And what about the daytime? I hear the whack ones, they get a lot of playtime, saying they're whack and wasting my airtime. You're number 2 and next to my spare time. Another rhyme has to be controlling, and for your brain that must have been stolen. Token, yes, taken away. I'm on the court and I'm fading away with a jumper. I shoot a rhyme in your face, add the points while I ride the bass. Incredible, come in 3 dimensions, parallel with the funky extensions. I'm Cool Keith running rap conventions on time. Now give the drummer some.
Give the drummer some. Give the drummer some.